Hi John, Spencer from Prime Motorcars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. To my right is a vehicle that I hope looks familiar. It's the 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLA 35 AMG. We test drove this just earlier today, and I thought maybe a video tour would give you a nice little refresh look at the vehicle, kind of touch on some of the stuff we talked about when we were here at the dealership. So, Denim Blue Metallic is the color, only available on the GLA. It's the only model in the Mercedes-Benz lineup other than a CLA that you can get this color in. Only SUV in Denim Blue. AMG 35, that GLA. So what does that mean? We have a 2-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, AMG tuned to 302 horsepower. We have that vertically slanted AMG grille, more aggressive front bumpers, side fins. We've got daytime running lights as well as LED headlights. Really nice kind of shark nose, sleek, overhung roofline and headline there. So really a really sharp look. Along the side of the vehicle, we've got these multi-spoke AMG wheels, gray accent on the interior wheel pieces. We've got a nice brush finish on the exterior, matches nicely with the chrome along our window frame and roof rails. Chrome on our door handles, keyless entry to lock and unlock the vehicle. Fuel caps on the driver's side. There is no button for the fuel cap in the inside of the vehicle. If the car is open, the fuel cap will open. If the car is locked, it will not open. If we come around to the rear, we've got wraparound LED taillights. I love the style. I love the shape of the LEDs. They illuminate brightly. They're nice to see it, at night. Other drivers have a good vision of you. AMG GLA 35 badging. We've got our third brake light. Nice little rear spoiler here. So a little rear hatch spoiler. Again, adding to the sporty look of the vehicle. That denim blue you can really see in the sunlight. It's a beautiful metallic paint. Chrome load sill guard here. Part of the 360 camera we looked at is the parking sensors. I remember we talked about those, and you'll see the actual sensors themselves built into the bumper. Rear diffuser, so you get a nice sporty looking rear diffuser and a dual tip chrome exhaust. Little rear fender flares there, also part of that AMG line. It's a beautiful vehicle. I love the interior color. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Inside the GLA 35, we can take a closer look at the interior. Beautiful Bahia Brown. We've got a nice leather, which means we get ventilated seats. So heated seats and ventilated seats, as well as a fully adjustable steering wheel. We have power and memory seats for the driver and passenger. As I mentioned, heated seats, ventilated seats, window controls, trunk controls, upgraded Burmester surround sound system. Stock on the left controls our turn indicators, high beams, and automatic rain sensing wipers. We have auto lights as well. Paddle shifters here, using our manual mode, which you adjust down from the center. You can use the paddle shifters to change gears. Left side is your cruise control. You can turn the cruise control on and off. You also have your adaptive cruise control settings, a part of the driver's assistance package. So what you do is you can use this switch to change how closely you're following the vehicle in front of you. Right side of the steering wheel is our phone, volume, and voice control functions, as well as our touchpad controls. I mentioned we can go through and change each screen with the left and right side of the steering wheel respectively. So every function you do in the vehicle, phone, navigation, radio, music, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you can control from the steering wheel. You don't have to reach up here. You don't have to use the touchpad. Keep your hands on the wheel. It's a really nice feature. We have our traction control and automatic start-stop controls on the left side of the drive unit. We have the Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus dynamic adjustment here on the left side. So all we do is spin this little dial and it changes our driving mode. AMG bolstered flat bottom steering wheel, so we get a nice thick bolster, center stripe at the top, flat bottom here, AMG insignia, a really nice textile feel, really adds a premium package to the vehicle. We've got our climate control vents, 64 color ambient lighting through the dashboard, the climate control, the center console, door panels, and down by your feet. We've got 2-zone climate control, wireless charging, your USB-C port, dynamic vehicle control, you can also do from here or from here, full parking system settings, navigation, radio, media, and telephone controls. You do have one volume wheel here and one volume wheel here as well. manual driving mode, traction control adjustment, adjustable suspension, a beautiful panoramic roof, so 2 big pieces of glass really open up the cabin, let in a lot of natural light. It's a gorgeous vehicle. All the stuff we talked about and more. I could go on for hours in the video, but I will not make it that long. John, if you have any questions, 207-510-2253 is my direct extension. Again, Spencer, Prime Mercedes, 207-510-2253. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.